Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the Zcash targets updates. What's going on now? I want to focus on the local zones for this token. Globally, if you believe in new all-time high, it can be, I don't know, around 900, maybe sweep of the high 950, 1K, 348. I'm not sure will we see these targets or not. Now, some miracle happened. Nobody talk about a Zcash anymore. So, this is the most ridiculous part of this industry that people react so emotionally. Luckily, we drop it down to 23 LBF, bounce, reject at 38. Now it's a consolidation. So the worst case, guys, it's a drop, consolidation, drop. The size of that drop can be even 173 or the global zone of accumulation again, and yearly open. Where that yearly open? So this one, yearly open zone 25. So this token was not not so many tokens which perform from yearly opens. So it's a good one. What to do now, guys? Even if we hit the new high like over the 900, I don't think so. 100% or even 200%. It's a good risk ratio to buy this token now. A lot of altcoins like Uniswap, 1inch, Algorand, HBAR, even HBAR, near protocol, lay down around here. What's the point to buy Zcash now? Maybe because people like Arthur Hayes firstly shield the Zcash to 10K. After that 2 weeks or the 2 days, send it to 0. So these guys just manipulate your emotions. So just ignore it and follow your plan. For me personally, it's still not a steal. It's oversaturated now, token. And I would be not surprised if the 78 level FIB was the end of cycle for this token. Maybe we'll see another leg up on the BTC, and we will form the 5 waves, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one gonna be like this one. And going down, start form like head and shoulder, and crash it down again to $173.42. Nobody knows the future. But now, for me, it's expensive. It's so expensive, oversaturated. So I don't see any reason to buy for the spot. For speculation, yes, we can speculate it. It's more than okay. Monthly, take a look, this huge gap. On XRP, absolutely the same story. So what's the point to buy XRP now or Zcash? I don't know. If we talk about investment, right? Globally on the monthly time frame, we didn't see the signal sell. Here was the signals to buy, on the monthly, April 2020, January 2020. Here's a finally take profit. So if you long-term holder for the 5 years, you invest at $26, a fixed profit $400. Nice one, pretty good gains. On the weekly time frame, we saw the signal to sell here, like confirmation 592 around. Daily time frame, of course, we saw the signal almost at the top. This one. Let's add alert to take profit from the sale. When we will see the take profit from the sale, it can be the potential reversal move. When it's happened, nobody knows. So it can be 345 or 173. So something like this one. 12 time frame, yes, we saw this one signal. Take profit from the sales, buy, and we bounce it. Bounce it 56%. Nice bounce. So over than 100% profit with the second leverage. Now, no signal to buy or sell. Nothing. That's why I repeat again. For me, it's so expensive to buy now. Direction, highly recommended, by the way. Use the dashboard, brand new indicator, which show all in one place, all metrics. Just adjust the time frame and track it. Direction, no signal to buy, guys. No signal for accumulation. Last one was here in August 25 on the daily. Now nothing. Here, only signals to sell was October, until November 24, November 2025. Now, nothing, no signals. Time for accumulation was here. Nobody talk about a Zcash. I posted a video about a Buran plan for Zcash, I don't know, around 2023, 2024. But I just share with you the idea, but I never have any plan to buy the Zcash because I'm not a fan of privacy tokens because the privacy is kind of risky about a regulation. And I don't want to put my money in some Horizon, Monero, Zcash. I'm not so crypto enthusiast, to put money in and worry about potential delisting, or some crazy stuff with the regulators. So no, I'm skip this type of tokens. 12 time frame, no money in, not money in, no accumulation based on the direction indicator. Money power. So mark the levels, guys, because all levels are pretty legit. Take a look. This FIB is a global one since this token exists. And November 7, it was so clear test 78 level by FIB. So just add the same levels and track it for the future. Some money in was here December at the beginning, pump 56%, money outflow. Daily. Some money in also was the beginning of December. Now, nothing. We bounced at only 53%. We almost at the top again. Weekly, here's how the money outflow looks like. Now, nothing. No money inflow. And the monthly, of course, here. 1, 2. 2 months in a row, the whales just to fix the profit. Last time it's happened like this one. 1, 2. Yes, of course, we saw another impulse up to the new high, right? And crash it down. Maybe we'll see the January also high, but it can be the cat bounce to close the 50% of this week, like 622, and crash it down. After that, the people will talk about, oh, we form a double bottom, we have to go to the moon. But guys, all of these patterns work only after the fact. My conclusion is accumulation zone for investments, it's this block. Started from $42. So that's it. For speculation, we need to double check the local one, like daily through 12 time frame. Weekly, here was disbelief, aphoria. Now it's still like a trail zone. Even on a daily, it's a hopium. So the people in hope this token will recover back. I have no idea how people even brainwash it and buying the Zcash at 700, while this token trade over then year or two around 40 and $50. Just skip it. Just skip the token. If you just late, just skip it. Trade on, I showed you, take profit, guys. Sentiment, yes, it's aphoria. No, not aphoria, hopium. Here, buy line on the daily now for Zcash 245. Weekly, exit line is 134. So the worst case, guys, if we will see something like this one and going down into crazy bear market. But the problem is if, Zcash will go like this one. I can't even imagine what will happen without the other altcoins. So it's kind of bad. Here, why we bounced it? Because we tested the buy line on a 12 time frame, 53% bounce. Buy line now retest is 324. Take profits is 638 on a 12 time frame daily. We didn't test the buy line. So of course it's possible like to see impulse, correction, impulse. Yes, also possible, but it's also possible like impulse, correction, sideways impulse. That's why that's a point of the technical analysis. You can build your own plan and nobody will tell you the future. My plan is, I think, while the BTC dominance will go down under 55% at least to 50%, some altcoins can perform again. And the question is, will we see that new high like 744, 798, 900? So this is an open question. I think yes. And more people will stock in this token forever for the next 5 or 6 years. But most negative scenario, of course, if we drop it down to the test of the buy line and slowly after that bounce and going down. So this is a possible scenario. If you want believe one day we're going to test the buy line, highly recommend you just double check this one. FAT USDT example. You know, people won't believe it will happen, ever happen with the FAT here. Pump, drop, bounce. It's a weekly, and drop it even under. Daily, the same story. So technically, Zcash looks like we are here. We are around here, so we can climb it up, build this type of channel, and we can crash it down to the buy line firstly. After that, to the fundamental value. So fundamental value it's 183. Of course, I'm not comparing the FAT with Zcash, but the price action. So guys, my targets I showed you. If you like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, it's right in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.